All right, y'all, man. It's JT back with another CPA affiliate marketing video, man. I ain't made a video about this, or at least not consistently in probably the last year or two. So letting y'all know, man, we starting it back up, man. This is my MaxBounty $7 to 5,000 challenge. My goal is to basically use Craigslist ads to basically turn in, 5,000 in affiliate commissions by January 1st, 2022. Right now it is November 4th. 2021 basically got 2 months, might as well say, to come up with 5,000, which is 2,500 this month and then 2,500 next month. And as you can see today so far, I'm at $20.25 using the same traffic source that I made to come up with 2-3 years ago. So I'm basically starting this challenge from scratch. Y'all basically get to see everything all over again. For those of you that's new to the channel, I basically used Craigslist ads 2 years ago to basically come up with a few $1,000s that I use to run paid traffic with Facebook ads, with CPA marketing, and pretty much sky's the limit. So I'm basically starting it all over again. So you get to see the whole entire process from A to Z. I'm gonna be documenting my day-to-day results, posting Craigslist ads, in the United States, where I'm from, Detroit. And so far, here we go. The goal is to post 1 to 3 Craigslist ads per day to reach 5,000 in affiliate commissions by 2022. Now, there's a few offers that I'm promoting, testing, and seeing what's the best converting offers. Right now, I got one that's holding the weight, and as you can see, my first day, $20.25. Let me refresh the screen. These ain't no results to brag about, but $20 on the first day. Spent $7 on the Craigslist ad, and if you inside of my beginner's course, you already know exactly what I'm posting, the top cities and all that stuff. So for those of you that's not inside the beginner's course right now, I'm running that sale right now for only $37. You can get access to the same Craigslist training that I'm about to use. Now, mind you, Craigslist, it's like what's the word? A snowball effect. So if you posting an ad a day, you'll look up a week later, you got about 5 to 7 ads up all at once. And if you got 100 people paying, well, not even paying, but if you got 100 people giving you or bringing you $3 in commissions, that's an easy $300 a day. And if you've been following my channel since the beginning, my highest day was about $264, I believe. I unlisted all of my older videos, so you wouldn't be able to see. But I'm about to try and top that this time because I got a higher cap on one of the offers that I'm promoting right now, which can make me about almost $400 in a single day. So if I can make $300 to $400 a day posting Craigslist ads, I will do it, and I will document the entire process, man. Y'all seen me do this 2 years ago. I'm about to do it again, and I'm about to use that money to basically scale up my clothing brand ads. But I do just want to show you guys that's been following this channel that Craigslist ads still work, and all the other traffic sources that I teach inside of my courses still work. Just because I'm not making YouTube videos about it don't mean it doesn't work, because a lot of y'all get caught up in that. I'm trying to see if I'm missing anything. But yeah, this is the members area of the beginners course. All the training you're gonna need for Craigslist. Nothing really changed for real. If you go through this course, you will know exactly what I'm talking about with all of these different things. So you can basically look at the whole Craigslist module and soak it up for yourself, man. The best offers, best times to post, best cities, how to create unlimited ad accounts, email accounts, best titles, descriptions to use, how to spy. I literally show you everything in this training, and I made this 2 years ago, and it still applies almost exactly to this day. So yeah, man, I'm starting from $7, and the goal is to reach 5,000 in affiliate commissions by 2022. So far today, spent $7, made $20, and I actually brought a second phone. If you go through the Craigslist training, you know why I buy multiple phones to make this work. So today I brought my second phone. I'm about to start this all up again from scratch, man, just to let y'all know. Let me refresh the screen, see if I got another commission or not. Let's see. Nope, $20.25 still for today. I will click on it, but get to know the offer and all that stuff. I ain't got time for it. So let me see if I'm missing anything. Yeah, but I mean, at the end of the day, if you've been watching my channel for a long time, you already know exactly what I'm about to do. And you could pretty much expect the best. My first day in almost 2 years promoting CPA offers and Craigslist ads. My first day with one phone, one card. I'm already at $20. I already tripled my ad spend. And then certain offers on MaxBounty, I noticed they will give you credit for commissions the following day. So let's say after 8 or 10 p.m., like it is right now, exactly November 4th, 10 p.m. exactly, they give you credit for commissions the following day. So my first day, I already tripled my ad spend. That's already a good sign. So right now I'm scaling up with multiple phones and basically taking the same exact method that I used in the beginner's course to start all over again. You know what I'm saying? I want to get a lot of free money real quick so I can use all of that money to go and promote my clothing brand and go from there. So yeah, for those of you that got bigger dreams and hopes of, you know what I'm saying, with not running with affiliate marketing, maybe you want to do your own clothing brand, maybe you want to do an offline business, this is the easiest thing still to this day. 2-3 years later, this stuff still works. So I'm about to use the same exact training to basically pay for my passion, what I ultimately want to do. You don't have to do affiliate marketing full time for the rest of your life. You can use it to fund a business you always want to start, and that's what I plan on doing. So I'm gonna use the money that I make from this by January 1st, 2022. All the commissions and stuff that I make from this, I'm gonna use it to promote my clothing brand and go from there, man. If I end up starting another challenge, maybe a year or two down the line, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But for now, this is what I'm working on. If you stick around to this challenge, I might think about doing a giveaway if I don't end up reaching the 5K. I don't know, but this is definitely the first day. As you can see, we spent $7 on the Craigslist ad, and we already basically tripled our money, man. So if you're interested and excited about this journey again, you're excited about me making these affiliate marketing videos again, drop a comment down below, man. I'm replying to everybody. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications. I'm going to be releasing videos almost every single day on this challenge, all the way up until New Year's 2022. So yeah, man, if you enjoyed this, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff, man. And I'll see y'all boys in the next video. Peace.